Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing both devices so pairing is quick and reliable. Make sure the watch has at least 50% battery and your phone's Bluetooth is on. Next, open the manufacturer's companion app or Bluetooth settings on your phone. The app often handles firmware and permissions automatically. Once done, follow on-screen prompts to discover the watch. This ensures secure keys exchange and sync of time and notifications. If asked, grant location and notification access so features work correctly. You now configure the core settings that affect daily use and battery life. Start by selecting language, time zone, and a watch face that shows the data you need. This makes glance information meaningful. Then grant notification, contact, calendar, and health permissions so calls, messages, and workouts sync reliably. After that, adjust brightness, do not disturb schedule, and activity goals to balance visibility and battery. These choices directly influence how long the watch lasts between charges. You finish by installing and testing the apps and sensors you'll use daily. Add navigation, music, mobile payment, and your preferred workout tracker. Make sure any apps are granted background refresh so data updates in real time. Sync offline playlists and connect Bluetooth headphones for phone-free workouts. Finally, test notifications, heart rate readings, and GPS on a short walk. If sync or notification issues occur, restart both phone and watch. Then reopen the companion app to force a fresh connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.